Hi, my name's Shaun Paul, EcoLogic Development Fund. I am here at the Opportunity Collaboration convening. We call it an unconference here in Ixtapa, Mexico. This has really been an incredible 4 days with 300 delegates that are really thought leaders, practitioners, investors, and donors thinking about new effective approaches to poverty. Certainly with my work with EcoLogic and using the lens of how do we empower grassroots organizations to be better stewards of their environment with tools and strategies that also address poverty and building and expanding sustainable livelihoods. This event has been very inspiring, some really talented, visionary people, and a lot of people making really huge things happen in the world. And certainly it's been a reflection for me that there's a lot of environmental voices here, but there's certainly a lot of voices thinking about how to use the market for scale. A lot of talk about scale and sustainability. I think there's some important conversations happening with investors, people thinking about venture philanthropy, and how do we begin to think about some new models that can increase impact in a faster amount of time. And I really am walking away with some amazing ideas and contacts. I think there's some real approaches to really think about how do we know if we're effective, how do we measure impact in a way that's cost effective and not just jargon, but really, helping guide organizations around impact. We had EcoLogic together with the Swift Foundation hosted a really engaging conversation on collaboration for community conservation, brought together great organizations, individuals from around the world, different kinds of organizations. Some real deep thought about how do you work across landscapes to protect nature and build human well-being. I think one interesting thing I didn't think about was what role does consumers and consumption have in making sustainable landscapes. This was a voice, I think a wise voice from Nepal that joined that conversation. So it's a real pleasure to be reporting to you from Opportunity Collaboration. It's a real privilege as a practitioner and working on issues that I'm so passionate about on the environment, to be together with such an accomplished group. I really think great possibilities can come out of this event, both for EcoLogic, communities we work with, and hopefully some new partner organizations.